Welcome to the U.S. Citizenship Test Preparation Series. This video is part 1 of a 4-part section designed to help you study and prepare for the civics portion of the naturalization test. The civics test is a vital part of becoming a U.S. citizen, where you'll need to demonstrate your knowledge of U.S. history, government, and civic principles. In this series, we'll cover all 100 possible questions, breaking them down into 4 easy-to-follow parts. In this first part, we'll go over the first 25 questions to help you get started on your journey towards citizenship. Let's dive into the key concepts you need to know. What is the supreme law of the land? The Constitution. What does the Constitution do? Sets up the government, defines the government, protects basic rights of Americans. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We the people. What is an amendment? A change to the Constitution, in addition to the Constitution. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government. How many amendments does the Constitution have? 27. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Announced our independence from Great Britain, declared our independence, said that the United States is free. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. What is freedom of religion? You can practice any religion, or not practice a religion. What is the economic system in the United States? Capitalist economy, market economy. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law, leaders must obey the law, government must obey the law, no one is above the law. Name one branch or part of the government. Congress, legislative, president, executive, the courts, judicial. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful? Checks and balances, separation of powers. Who is in charge of the executive branch? The President. Who makes federal laws? Congress, Senate and House of Representatives, U.S. or national legislature. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress? The Senate and House of Representatives. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. We elect a U.S. senator for how many years? 6. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Answers will vary. The House of Representatives has how many voting members? 435. We elect a U.S. representative for how many years? 2. Name your U.S. representative. Answers will vary. Who does a U.S. senator represent? All people of the state. Why do some states have more representatives than other states? Because of the state's population, because they have more people, because some states have more people.